Have you ever felt the frustration of a blocked WhatsApp account? You're not alone in this struggle. Understanding why your account got blocked can empower you to take effective action. Let's explore the reasons. One common reason for a block is being reported and blocked by numerous users. This raises red flags. Sending messages to people who haven't saved your contact can also lead to being flagged as spam. Are you aware that sharing malicious files can get your account blocked? WhatsApp monitors for these threats stringently. Joining multiple groups rapidly could cause WhatsApp to mistake your behavior for spam. Slow down. Impersonating someone else through a fake account is a serious violation of WhatsApp's community standards. Using unofficial versions of WhatsApp may seem tempting, but they can lead to account bans. Stick with the official app. Extracting personal data without user consent puts your account at risk of being blocked. Respect privacy. The ultimate culprit behind blocks. Violating WhatsApp's terms of service, which includes sending spam or offensive content. If you find yourself locked out, here are steps to consider for unblocking your WhatsApp account. First, attempt to re-register your phone number within the app. It's a straightforward method to regain access. You can also apply directly for a review through WhatsApp. Persistence often pays off in this process. Don't hesitate to reach out to WhatsApp via email. Sharing your account details could facilitate a quicker review. So, how can you avoid future blocks on your WhatsApp account? Let's share some crucial tips. For personal accounts, stick to WhatsApp's official terms and respectable messaging practices. Knowledge is your best defense. For businesses, ensure you use only approved API applications to maintain account integrity. Follow best practices. Communicate only with people you know to limit unwanted attention on your account. Prevention is key. Before adding members to a group, always seek permission. A little courtesy can go a long way. As a group admin, you have control. Manage settings wisely to minimize spam complaints. Exercise caution when forwarding messages. Misinformation can lead to unnecessary trouble. Verify before you share. Your privacy on WhatsApp is paramount. Adjust your settings for who can see your information. Be proactive by muting unknown calls and turning off read receipts. Take charge of your privacy. If you ever face a permanent ban, start by identifying the violation. Understanding helps in your appeal. Review WhatsApp's terms of service to pinpoint what may have led to the ban. Knowledge is power. If all else fails, creating a new WhatsApp account can provide a fresh start, free from past mistakes. For those who lost data after a block, regular backups are your security blanket. Protect your information. Use cloud storage solutions judiciously to ensure easy recovery for your essential chats and media. If you didn't back up, contacting WhatsApp support can be your last chance to recover lost data. Navigating the world of WhatsApp requires knowledge of policies to enjoy uninterrupted messaging experiences. Stay informed about the platform's rules, and you'll ensure smooth sailing in your communications. Empower yourself with responsible use. Stay safe, stay connected. Don't let a block silence your connections.